Hey there, Jay Moore here. It's August 2021 and it's time for some Aweber updates. I've got some awesome landing pages to show you with some built-in features to help you solicit donations for your next project. The first landing page I want to show off is our crowdfunding page right here. Now with this page you can edit some text, even add a video if you have one of your project. But more importantly, there's a button built in here where you can start collecting donations from. Simply connect to Stripe, then add your product. In this case, your product is a donation, so the product name could be something like donation. And then we'll put in a price. We'll say $10. So add that. And then in the button, we can even change the copy to reflect this. Maybe something like, back this project for $10. This page has other buttons that you can point people to, and you can set those up just like the one we did. And each can have its own separate donation amount. Now we also have a general donations landing page. There's a place for people to donate at the top. And again, even at the bottom, you can break up those donations into different intervals, and each button can have its own monetary value associated with it. Finally, I just wanted to point out our podcasting template. This is an older landing page template that we have that has a place to put a podcast snippet. But now we've also added a widget down here that gives you those separate buttons with those different donation intervals that you can easily set up. So come try this out in your own Aweber account today. It's absolutely free to sign up. Click at the end of this video to sign up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.